Very good afternoon and warm welcome to Dr. Praveen Chaudhary sir, Principal, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigadi, Dr. Atish Mundada, Dr. Tushar, Dr. Patel. Today we have come together for a valedictory function of 1 week e-FDP program organized by Gokhale Education Societies, Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi, College of Pharmaceutical Education in India, in association with Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, that is APTI. This 1 week international e-FDP and STP on a topic recent advancement in pharmaceuticals, academic research, ethics, and social perspective under the aegis of internal quality assurance cells of Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi, College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. This 1 week e-FDP program or e-STP program, I'm very happy to share that total 102 registrations were there from different parts of the globe. So that is a very good support or support given by faculty members and attended this e-FDP program. This e-FDP or faculty development programs are an integral part of development of teachers because in today's current area, we need to learn modern teaching technologies in teaching as well as in research. And by interacting with such a eminent personalities from research and academics, definitely that could be a very much useful for the faculty members. And I'm very sure this 1 week e-FDP program definitely given a lot to all faculty members who have attended these e-FDP sessions. This e-FDP we have been organizing since last 5 years. During Corona 2020, ours was the first college took initiative and organized this e-FDP. At that time, 18 speakers were there, 1,600 registrations from different parts of the globe, and this continue with the same. This 1 week e-FDP we organized, and I'm very happy that 17 speakers from a different globe. The FDP was very smooth throughout the week, and today we came to the last part, that is the validity function. For these validity functions, we have a very eminent personality as a chief guest, Dr. Praveen D. Chaudhary. Sir is a PhD in pharmaceutical sciences, not only in pharmacy, but he is a MMS in marketing. Sir is having total 27 years of huge experience as a professor and principal. Currently, sir is a principal at Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigadi, Pune. Sir is having very bright academic and research profile. He is having a 21 published patents and 7 granted among that. Total 194 research publications and 57 review articles. He has presented 15 presentations and very huge cumulative impact factor, that is 106.45, and total 2,995 citations with H index 27, I-10 index 76, and he has published 10 books. Not only that, sir has received a research grants of about rupees 87.6 lakhs, and under his 17 students have successfully completed their PhD degree, and he has guided 70 PG students. By considering his contribution, he received a DST FIST grant worth rupees 54 lakh, received major research project grant 40.6 lakh from UGC in New Delhi, received border of 13 lakhs from AICT New Delhi, received 6 lakhs from Savitribai Phule Pune University. By considering his contribution to academic and research, he has been awarded as a APTI's Hyper Principal of the Year Award 2023 by the Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Best Principal Award in 2017-18 under category of Professional College by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. He also received IDME Award 2016 for Best Research Paper in Pharmaceutics by Indian Drugs. He also received Pharma HR Society's Principal of the Year Award 2015 in Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Maharashtra State Branch. He also received Millennium Inspirational Award 2015 for contribution in social and professional education by Millennium Stars International School, Pune. He also received 54th IPC Trust Pharmacy Teacher of the Year Award 2013-14, Appreciation Award 2013 from IPA Pune branch, IDMA Award 2011 for Best Research Paper in Pharmaceutics, Dr. R.L. Nikur Award 2009 for his research paper in Pharmaceutics, Design and Evaluation of Bilayer Floating Tablets in tizanidine hydrochloride by IGPR, Best Research Project Award organized in Regional Research Conference organized by Savitribai Phule Pune University. Not only he achieved for his own, but he also under his principalship, college also achieved many achievements and awards, and among that, Pharmaceutical PE Society's Modern College of Pharmacy got accreditation from NBA in 2019 and re-accredited in 2022. This college also got accredited by NAC Bangalore in 2014 with CGPA 2.83. College also secured All India rank 14th in 2017, 74th in 2019, 68th in 2020, and the National Institute of Ranking Framework, that is NIRF. College received Best College Award in 15-16 among all professional colleges of Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Best College Award for NSS activity in 2012 by Savitribai Phule Pune University, and Best Magazine Award in 2013 by Savitribai Phule Pune University. As I mentioned, sir is having 27 years of experience. Among that, 16 years as a principal at Modern College of Pharmacy, Negde, Pune. He is an approved PG teacher and PhD guide and invited as a resource person for NAC and NBA. Total 21 colleges he visited as a resource person. He is a life member of APTI, life member of IPA, and member of Society of Pharmacology. He held many positions. Among that, he is a former president, Central Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India in a tenure of 2016 to 2022. He was a former Dean, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Savitribai Phule Pune University, member peer team, National Board of Accreditation, member Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Association, former co-chairman, Local Organizing Committee of 69th Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, 2017, former member, Standing Committee of Savitribai Phule Pune University, member Academic Council, member Research and Recognition Committee. He not only in Savitribai Phule Pune University, sir is also Academic Council member of KLE University, Belgavi. He was a former member, Senate, Savitribai Phule Pune University, member Research and Recognition Committee, Board of Examination, Ombudsman Panel, Lapses Committee, Unfair Means. He was also member of BUTR Committee, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Board of Studies member of Solapur University, the former Associate Secretary of Association of APTI Central, former Vice President, APTI Maharashtra State, subject expert of assessment and proposal of pharmacy under minor research project. He was a member of governing body, D.Y. Patil College of Pharmacy, member of Business Council of PE Society Pune, member of Board of Life and life member of PE Society Pune. I heartily welcome you for this function, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. One important thing, among all these professional quality, sir is also a very good singer. I Jhumka. Welcome you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sunil. Thank you, Sunil.
Over to.
Thank you, Dr. Sunil.
Thank you.
So, I am audible? Hello? Sunil? Dr. Sunil? Am I audible?
Some delegates are giving a feedback. So
okay.
Tushar, sir. Tushar Rukari.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all the esteemed delegates present over here.
for this 1 week APTI sponsored international e-FDP, e-STP on the topic recent advancement in the pharmaceuticals. We cover all the perspective related with the academic research as well as ethics and social perspective under the aegis of Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Gokhale Education Societies, Sir M.S. Gosavi, College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Nashik. It's a pleasure to address this distinguished gathering virtually. Myself, Mr. Tushar Ukari, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Bhosle College of Pharmacy, Sawantwadi, District, Sindhudurga, Maharashtra, feeling privileged to be a part of this enlightening and knowledge-sharing e-FDP STP. Over this past week, we have hunted into a crucial topics related into a pharmaceutical advancement, academic excellence, research ethics, and social impact. Throughout this week, we have explored latest breakthrough that has been happening into the drug development, biotechnological field, and clinical trials. All the sessions that are delivered by the eminent researcher provide a valuable perspective which will bridge the gap between the academic as well as industry. Not only this, but also the ethical consideration that came out from the discussion that we have come off along with this 1 week international FDP, which is centered around the ethical practices, not only related with the pharmaceutical research, but also in academic as well. The FDP also highlighted social responsibility that will helpful to understand as a being a future pharmacist, we must recognize our ethical role in shaping stakeholders in the profession. Definitely, this FDP was full of interactive, where the learning has been happen with the engagement of all the audience, which is carried out by all the resource person, either by assigning some tasks, having some discussions, having some case studies, as well as a very informative, interactive question answer session, which enriches the understanding of this all the session of FDP. Definitely, we are taking out a bunch of knowledge from this 1 week international FDP ESTP from among the 17 speakers across the globe. So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Principal Dr. Amrutkar sir and convener of this program. Along with that, I would like to also thanks Dr. Prashant Pingle sir, Vice Principal, as well as co-convener of this program. Dr. Shilpa Harak ma'am, Organizing Secretary, Mrs. Smita Shelke ma'am, Coordinator, Dr. Dattatreya Shinkar, along with all the organizing team members. And not only that, but also we must have to thank all the resource persons because of whom dedication as well as expertise made this e-FDP a resounding success. In the conclusion, let's try to contribute this knowledge that we have gained from this international FDP towards the goodwill of society. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Definitely a very enlightening session that has been covered by all the resources persons. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rukari, sir. Now I request Vandana Patel ma'am to present her feedback. Please, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. At the outset, dear organizing team members, Praveen Chaudhary sir, and all my colleagues who have joined this e-FDP, very good afternoon to all of you. This e-FDP was really a great opportunity for me, I would say, and I heartily thank Dr. M.S. Gosavi College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, the organizing committee members, for organizing such a wonderful e-FDP for us. It was, though the title is e-FDP, we never felt it was e-FDP because all the time we were connected with the speakers. All the speakers, all the sessions were such insightful and thought-provoking that each and every time we were curious to know, what will come next. So that way we all got connected with all the sessions, and we never felt that we are on the virtual mode. And at the same time, at our convenience also, sitting at home or sitting in the college, we could enjoy the sessions. It was really very wonderful. All the speakers and all the topics that were selected was great. The delivery of the speakers were so lucid and in a very palatable way. We could just take it. It was not a very hi-fi topic or something, even if the hi-fi topic has been explained in a very lucid way. So that also one learning lesson a teacher can take, that how to make a complicated topic more easy to understand. So that was also one thing. And the two important topics that I loved the most was by Dr. Vijay Jagtap sir, Code of Conduct and Code of Ethics, which is very much essential for any teacher, because the teacher should know that they are not only teaching to 60 students, but through 60 students they are going to reach to 60 millions, and the future of nation is sitting in their class. So Code of Conduct and Code of Ethics, very nicely explained by sir. And today's lecture by Mrs. Yogini on soft skills at workplace, she also delivered with very lucid and small day-to-day examples, so that it was easily digestible. And the great learning happened through both the sessions. And why it actually resonated with my belief system also, because I also run my academy, Teacher Talks Academy, wherein I also give the training on classroom management and pedagogical skills, and how to deal with prejudiced mind people and all. So I loved these two topics the most. Secondly, the ethics which the international FDP has covered, that is also very crucial for us to understand. First, the teacher should understand the ethics, implement the ethics, and then it will automatically pass on to the students. So the discussion on academic research was also very nicely explained by the speaker. I loved it, and I got good knowledge from that also, and I hope my colleagues also must have learned a lot. And most importantly, the cutting edge topics, research topics on microneedles and protein targeting. Through all those topics, even I learned a lot, many things. And I'm sure I'm going to integrate this into my teaching practices and my research practices. So yeah, overall, the program was very well curated. It was very nicely organized. I heartily congratulate the entire team of Dr. Sir MS Gosavi College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research for organizing such wonderful session. The team was also very supportive. We got each and every message in time on WhatsApp. So that was very easy for us. So I heartily thank all the team members also. And 3 or 4 years back also, I was a part of this e-FDP as an attendee. And I liked it. So today also I got the opportunity, and I'm ready to be the part of such programs anytime in future this college organizes. So thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your feedback is really overwhelming. Thank you. Now I request Dr. Atish Mundara sir to present his views. Yes, Dr. Mundara, please.
Yeah, thank you very much, Shilpa ma'am. Very good afternoon, Chaudhary sir. Very good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
Amrutka
Good afternoon,
sir, his team, and my dear colleagues. Let me thank organizer for giving me an opportunity to deliver the honest feedback related to this 1 week international e-FDP, which was being organized by Sir Dr. MS Gosavi's College of Pharmacy and Educational Research by Nashik, and which we all are attending sincerely and enthusiastically since 11th of March. I would like to congratulate Dr. Amrutkar and his dedicated team for successful and smooth conduct of this e-FDP. Let me tell you, the lectures and deliberations which were being delivered by eminent resource persons during these last 6 days, they were befitting to the title of e-FDP. The recent advancements in pharmaceuticals, academic research, ethics, and social perspective. As Vandana ma'am said, the high point of this FDP, what I feel, was Dr. Jagtap's lecture, wherein he actually provoked us to think about the qualities and ethics and moral values which every teacher and student must be aware about. And being this FDP is organized in association with APTI, it would be my sincere request to APTI members as well to look into this particular matter to ensure that the teacher who really knows this pros and cons being teacher and the kind of responsibility he or she is going to shoulder being there in this noble profession, they must be made aware about this, or and a kind of training or a induction program must be organized by APTI to ensure that whomsoever is joining this particular stream should be aware of the responsibility he or she is going to shoulder throughout his or her life as an academician. Conducting or organizing a faculty development program online mode is really laudable idea, as number of faculties can attend this program while managing their daily schedule and even not required to get out of their comfort zone. Everyone is sitting at their workplaces, managing their schedule and getting a knowledge sharing events being witnessed and being attended by them is really laudable idea. And I would say that more and more such kind of activities must be organized under the aegis of APTI and other eminent organizations. And many such events must be taken up by different organizations, different institutes, to ensure that they can help in enhancing the knowledge of their human resources, which are shaping the generations together. No doubt, as a teacher, we owe a lot of things to the society. And if this kind of events are being organized and being conducted, that too online, it gives an opportunity to many of the faculties to attend it. Because if offline event is there, getting DL for and attending these kind of events offline, it becomes difficult because you have to manage your day-to-day schedule as well. And during this semester era, we are getting as such a minimum period of time to complete maximum kind of syllabus which is there. So online FDP is a laudable idea, and I really congratulate Dr. Amrutkar and his dedicated team to give us an opportunity to witness this knowledge sharing program or Mahakumbha, which is ending today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Mundara. It was great to hear from you. Really, efforts are awarded by the feedback by the delegates. Now I will take this opportunity to present the report for the session. I take the opportunity with great pride to present the report of 1 week International e-Faculty Development Program and e-Student Training Program on recent advancements in pharmaceuticals, academic, research, ethics, and social perspective, which was conducted from 11th March till today, that is 16th of March 2024. The world of knowledge is ever growing, and keeping a track of it is prime responsibility of an academician to nurture the young brains which come to them. Just like a mega festival having a series of lectures from those who have realized and lived the knowledge, this 1 week program was planned to bring about a greater impact than mere information which is easily available on the net. With this objective in mind, we planned the program with sanction and support of our management, Dr. A.P. Deshpande Sir, President, Gokhale Education Society, and Dr. Mrs. D.P. Deshpande Ma'am, Secretary, Gokhale Education Society. And with the thought of benefiting a larger number of faculty members and students, we approached the designation holders of Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, whose positively supportive is us in our endeavor. To have a totally holistic development of faculty, we identified and invited 17 eminent speakers from the field. We requested them to speak on the theme of the e-FDP and e-STP. The benevolent speakers kindly agreed to speak, and we had speakers from 10 different states of India and 7 speakers from 7 different countries such as Singapore, Belfast, Cambridge, USA, UAE, and Korea. Then there came the phase of delegate registration. We had an enormous response with, to be exact, 1,102 registrations from different states of the country such as Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and so on. Looking at the statistics, we had about 71% of the registered delegates as faculty, 25% UG and PG students, and a few research scholars. So the response by the delegates was enormous, and I would like to say The schedule, after we put in the schedule for the speakers, we got even more registration. So the speakers were the main focus of our discussion. So the week-long program was inaugurated on Monday, 11th March 2024 in the auspicious presence of Dr. Milind Umekar sir, President, APTI Central, Dr. Sohan M. Chitlange sir, Vice President, APTI, and Dr. S.V. Amrutkar sir, Principal and Convener of our college. The first session began on the day one. This first session was conducted by Dr. Javed Ali, Professor Zamia Hamdard. He spoke on quality attributes and ethics in publication, followed by Dr. Chandragoda Patil sir, Professor R.C. Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur, who spoke on ethics in academic research, the what, how, and why of them. On the second day, we had 3 sessions planned. The first session was to be conducted by Dr. Mohanta, but due to some emergency, he could not do it. So we focus that we plan to carry out the same lecture in near future. Second session was by Dr. Pramod Kashi, Executive Director, Clinical Trial Management, Medscape Singapore, who spoke on innovation and trends in global clinical research. The second session on the day was given by Dr. Girish Tilu, who's Professor, Interdisciplinary School of Health Sciences, Savitribai Phule, Pune University, who spoke on research and publication ethics. On the third day, we had Dr. V. Parthasarathy, Professor, Department of Pharmacy and Director in CCB and DT, Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu, who spoke about the proposal drafting for application of grants to various authorities in India. The second session was followed by Dr. Pallavi Ahirao, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Chandigarh Group of Colleges, who spoke on antimicrobial resistance. Natural products has a potential source of bacterial efflux pump inhibitors. The last session on that day was conducted by Dr. Lalit Vora, who is a senior lecturer, School of Pharmacy, Queen's University, Belfast. He spoke about the innovative use of microneedle patches, recent advances in transdermal and ocular drugs delivery. The fourth day began with a session by Dr. Prashant Shinde, who spoke on, who is a research scientist at Glenmark Life Sciences, Mumbai. He spoke upon nitrosamine impurities with regards to current regulatory environment. The second lecture was conducted by a well-known revered Dr. Krishna Iyer sir, Professor, Bombay College of Pharmacy, who spoke on drug metabolism, role in drug discovery and development. The third session of the day was carried out by Dr. Chinnar Pathak, scientist at MINK Therapeutics, Cambridge. He focused upon targeting proteins from immuno-oncology conditions to develop new drugs. The fifth day session began with Dr. Vijay Jagtap, Professor Yashwantrao Bhosle, College of Pharmacy, Samantwadi, who spoke on Code of Ethics and Conduct for Professional Development. Followed by Dr. Purushottam Devang, founder, MD, and Chief Scientific Officer at Meta Jeevan Research Consortium and he is also founder of Crop Jeevan Agro Research and Development Private from Karnataka. He spoke on a very special topic: target, engage, and destroy protein of interest, new generation therapy, the PROTACs. The last session yesterday was conducted by Dr. Vijay Maddane, Group Manager, Technical Operations, Innova Pharmaceuticals, Singapore, who spoke upon the regulatory affairs and compliance of APTI perspective. Today, the session began at very early 9 o'clock, which was conducted by Dr. Sachin Survase, postdoctoral fellow at the Johns Hopkins University, USA. Sir spoke about the overcoming gastrointestinal barriers to the oral delivery of biologicals with nano and microparticle systems, which was the second session was conducted by Mrs. Yogini Gaidhani, Program Director, Asset Lifecycle Management Program, Pfizer UAE. She spoke upon the soft skills needed at workplace. And the last session was conducted by Dr. Hanif Sheikh, a vaccine researcher at International Vaccine Clinical Research Organization, Seoul, Korea. He spoke upon the clinical development of vaccines in emergency situation. It was an honor to host such revered personalities. Also, just reading the topic sessions made me realize that each and every resource person did justice to the theme of the program. Recent advancements in pharmaceuticals. Yes, everybody covered it. Academics, research, ethics, and social perspectives were covered. The session was well managed by our research session chairs, who I would like to name here. Dr. Harak, Mrs. Sheke, Dr. R.N. Kachwe, Mr. S.R. Purkar, Dr. D.R. Mai, Mrs. D.D. Bandari, Mrs. R.H. Mishar, Mrs. A.V. Sheke, Mrs. R.M. Kuwar, Mr. S.Y. Kulkarni, Dr. Shinkar, and Dr. Lamboy. There were many diverse teams which lead to the success of the e-faculty development program. I'll just read the names of the committee: registration committee, designing committee, the technical committee, quiz committee, feedback committee, news media publicity committee, certificate committee, which will function from today, special efforts by our special faculty members, these were the gems of a college. Along with the faculty members, a very significant contribution is of the support staff, our support staff. So it is said that knowledge is power, and knowledge shared is power multiplied. So I guarantee, I hope that the knowledge shared in the 16 sessions is multiplied by 1,102. So thousands multiplied. So knowledge is power. Thank you. I now request Dr. P.D. Chaudhary sir to present his address.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to one and all. Today, we gather to mark the conclusion of this international faculty development program on recent advancement in pharmaceuticals organized by Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi College of Education and Research, Nashik, in association with Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India. It is really a momentous occasion to reflect upon the knowledge gain and the connection made and the impact we aspire to create in the realm of academia, research, ethics, and social responsibility. As we gather here today to mark a culmination of yet another successful e-faculty development program organized by Gokhale Education Society's Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi College of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, Nashik. And they are organizing such a e-FDP program since last 6 to 7 years. And I'm really glad that this time also they have followed the tradition and organized such a wonderful program for all of you. Over the past 7 days, you have embarked on the journey of learning, growth, and professional development that has undoubtedly enriched your lives and expanded your horizon. What I learned from the brochure I received from the Dr. Amrutkar, that total 18 speakers across the country and across the globe, they have participated as a resource person in this e-FDP program, and very happy to know that this FDP almost more than 1100 delegates they have registered themselves across the country. The essence of this any FDP lies in its ability to empower educators with the knowledge, skills, and the tools necessary to excel in their roles. I am pleased to say that this objective have been met with the resounding success. I heard a lot of feedbacks from Dr. Vandana Patel, Dr. Tushar, Dr. Mundada, and all of them were satisfied and very happy to learn many things from this FDP. Through a series of workshops, seminars, discussions, you have delved into the various aspects of pedagogy, curriculum development, assessment strategies, educational technologies, etc., etc. And you have explored the innovative teaching methodologies, exchanged the best ideas, best practices, and gained insight into the ever-evolving landscapes of higher education. But beyond the acquisition of knowledge and skills, this FDP has been about fostering the sense of trust, collaboration, and the community among the participants. So you have come together as a colleague, sharing your experiences, challenges, and aspirations. You have built a network, formed friendship, and laid the foundation for future collaboration that will undoubtedly enrich the participants' professional lives. As we bid farewell of this FDP, let us carry forward the lessons learned and the connection made into this respective institutions who have participated in this FDP, either in the form of resource person or either in the form of participants. And let us be ambassador of change, champions of innovations, and advocates of the excellence in education. Let us continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, inspire our students, and contribute to the advancement of society through our work as a teacher. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the organizers from Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi, College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Nashik. And I have witnessed the progress of this college right from the inception. And I am very happy that under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Sunil Amrutkar, this college has taken a very good shape in a very short span of, I think, decades. Hardly one decade. I think 10 years back, the college has started. So congratulations, Dr. Amrutkar, sir, for your wonderful work. And this dynamic leadership of Dr. Amrutkar and late Professor Dr. Sir M.S. Gosavi, and after him, the legacy is carried forward by Mrs. Dr. D.P. Deshpande Madam and Shailesh Gosavi, sir. I am very happy about the progress of this institution. The Dr. Sunil Amrutkar have really developed a team of dedicated teachers, and they all work fantastically as a facilitators to organize such a wonderful FDP for all the participants. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all participants also who have contributed to the success of this FDP. Your dedication, enthusiasm, and commitment have been truly inspiring, and I am confident that the impact of this program will be felt far beyond these walls. In closing, let us celebrate our achievement, embrace the memories that you people have created, and look forward to the exciting opportunities that lie ahead. May the organizers continue to grow, learn, and thrive in our this pursuit of academic excellence. So I wish the success to this institute. Very good organization, and very happy to heard a good feedback from the all participants. Dr. Vandana Ben Patel, such a senior colleagues from the profession, Dr. Atish Mundada. So I'm very happy. Thank you one and all. And thank you, Dr. Sunil Amrutkar, sir, for giving me this opportunity to interact with all your participants. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all. As someone has rightly said, saying thank you is more than a prayer. I am Mrs. Smita Sherke, coordinator of e-FDP, feel honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on behalf of principal and faculty members of MSG Copper Nashik. We are very grateful to APTI Forum, Dr. Milind Umekar, President, Central APTI, Dr. Raman Dam, Secretary, Central APTI, Dr. Sohan Chitlange, Vice President, APTI, Western Region, and Dr. Vandana Patrawale, National Convener, APTI Women's Forum, for accepting our proposal of 1 week e-FDP, e-STP, and granting their association for the same. We are thankful to Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, sir, former President APTI and Principal Modern College of Pharmacy, Pune, for his presence and gracing the occasion of valedictory function. We are very grateful to all the resource persons of the e-FDP, e-STP for accepting our invitation, delivering the session, sharing their knowledge and expertise to our delegates, and enhancing the glory of the event. We take this opportunity to thank Dr. Mrs. D.P. Deshpande Madam, Secretary, Gokhale Education Society, for her motivation and encouragement for organizing such kind of FDP and STP. We are also thankful to Dr. R.P. Deshpande, President, Gokhale Education Society, for guidance and support. We are very fortunate to have Sri Shailesh Gosavi, sir, Director, Establishment, Gokhale Education Society, as our mentor and his continuous encouragement. I am thankful to our principal and convener of e-FDP, Dr. S.V. Amrutkar, sir. His lofty vision and dynamic leadership has brought us together to work jointly for the success of this event. I am thankful to Dr. Prashant Pingre, sir, Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator of our college and co-convener of the FDP, for helping us in planning and guiding the execution of the work step by step. I am thankful to Dr. Shilpa Harak, Organizing Secretary of e-FDP, her keen planning and conduct of the sessions in organized manner. I am very happy to thank you all the session chairs of 6 days of e-FDP for their keen work which enable the smooth conduct of all technical sessions. I am thankful to the organizing committee members for their devotion and teamwork to make this event happen to its best level. I am thankful to all the faculty members, supporting and technical staff. Without their support, it was not possible to happen the event successful. Finally, we, the principal and faculty members of our college, are thankful to all the delegates from various states of India for their overwhelming response and active participation, which makes this program a successful event in a real sense. Thank you all once again. With this, I declare that the valedictory function is over. The feedback link is posted in WhatsApp group as well as on the YouTube link. Thank you.
धन्यवाद सर.
Okay, धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद सर.